Hi everybody, this is Joe from Cooking with Grandpa. It's Thanksgiving again, and we're going to have a special guest come up, my grandchildren's other grandpa, straight from Texas, Harold. And he's going to make his sweet potato pie.
Hi, I'm Harold, and I am from Texas. Now we're going to mash our potatoes, and we're going to add in our salt and sugar. Then we're going to add in our eggs. And then we add in our flour and milk. Okay, now that our camera is focused again, we're going to add flour. And then we're going to add milk, or evaporated milk, either way. And then we add allspice, cloves, and cinnamon, and vanilla. Now we're adding 2 sticks of melted butter. After preheating the oven to 350, we pour the sweet potatoes into the pie crust. And now it's an hour later, and our pies are done. Look at that. Golden brown. Beautiful.
Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great Thanksgiving. I want to thank Harold for coming over and sharing that grandma's recipe for sweet potato pie with us.
Yeah.
Thanks, Harold.
Have a happy Thanksgiving.